So could you please tell me what type help I can do?
Okay, so I need like some help with the generally PPC structure, and I would like to get like some information related to search absolute up impression shear and some other parameters, and I would like some guidance to set it up so recently I had like drop down, and I start to research where it comes from. I realize I have like some problems. I don't know if you ever worked with the Google guarantee or no.
Google guarantees mean when you don't get the call, then they call get back the money, right? Yeah, cleaning business Google guarantee I run.
Yeah, they will do variety of the fields, but generally I'm a locksmith, so they have cleaning, whatever other like sectors. But what I'm saying is, I experienced big drop down because I changed like budget, and I never maintained that account. So
Oh, okay.
then I start to clean it, I start to optimize it, I start to like add up pictures. That's recently, but the drop down caused that I have no calls. Now I believe I have to wait 2 weeks until they scan my account and kind of recalculate everything. Last year ago, I moved to the shop. You see where I live? You see it's shop.
Yeah,
It's
shop.
Locksmith. I moved. I live here last year. I don't shave. Sometimes I don't get in shower months because I have no time. I'm 53. I have maybe 7 years until I retire, though. And I learned website design. I learned search engine optimization. I learned a lot of stuff during the year. I
Amazing.
slept maybe 2 hours. I'm 53 now. So I have maybe 7 years until I retired from here, and I
Yeah.
want to, make some money. And I'm checking these all opportunities I have to make some money, because I get in this country. I was so young, and I mean, a lot of responsibilities, bills, family. It just knocked me down.